same level as the people. However, it's still a house on Herengracht in the most prestigious Canal, which a lot of residents definitely can't afford. So it was an attempt to have the mayor at the same level as the people. However, not really the case. Yeah, and here our next artwork called In Bloom. And this one refers to flowers, because flowers are kind of accompany us all throughout life. First of all, they are used during fertility rituals, but also if we think about celebrations such as anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, also there flowers are used. And even at the end of our lives, during funerals or leaving flowers at someone's grave, also there we see flowers coming back. And with this artwork, the artist wants us to remind us of the shortness of life, but also to definitely make the most of the time that we have here on Earth.